And the big one, 2-ingredient cottage cheese bagels. The viral protein bagels, and they actually work. Mix 200 grams of self-raising flour with 200 grams of cottage cheese into a dough. Shape into bagels, brush with a beaten egg, and sprinkle on some seeds. Air fry at 180 for 12 minutes until golden. Soft inside, crusty on top, 40 grams of protein across the batch. Freeze them and toast straight from frozen. If you make one thing this week, make these. First up, air fryer protein egg bites. These are the meal prep hero. Soft, fluffy, and they keep for 4 days in the fridge. Whisk 4 eggs with 3 tablespoons of cottage cheese until smooth. That cottage cheese is the secret. It makes them creamy and quietly adds a load of protein. Stir in a handful of chopped spinach, some diced pepper, and 20 grams of grated cheese. Pour it into silicone molds and air fry at 180 for 6 minutes until they're puffed and set. 30 grams of protein, 190 calories. Eat them hot or cold straight from the box. Third, 3-ingredient protein pancakes. No flour, ready before your coffee's cool. Blend 1 ripe banana, 2 eggs, and a scoop of protein powder into a smooth batter. Let it sit for 2 minutes so it thickens. That's the trick for fluffy pancakes. Cook small rounds in a non-stick pan, 2 minutes aside. Stack them up and top with Greek yogurt and a few berries. 35 grams of protein, and it genuinely eats like dessert. Next, high-protein French toast. Tastes like a cheat meal, completely isn't. Whisk 2 eggs with a scoop of vanilla protein powder and a splash of milk. Dip 2 thick slices of whole grain bread until they're properly soaked. Air fry at 180 for 5 minutes, flipping halfway until golden. Top with Greek yogurt and berries, no syrup needed. 28 grams of protein and a pinch of cinnamon in the egg mix makes it taste twice as rich. Breakfast burritos for the week. Roll once, eat all week. The grab-and-go champion. Scramble 6 eggs with 250 grams of cooked turkey mince and a diced pepper. Spoon into 5 wholemeal wraps with a little cheese and roll them tight. Air fry at 190 for 5 minutes for a crispy shell, then wrap in foil and freeze. 32 grams of protein each, and they microwave from frozen in 2 minutes. Air fryer egg and turkey muffins. Savory, freezable, and ready when you are. Whisk 6 eggs and stir in 150 grams of cooked turkey mince, a handful of spinach, and 30 grams of grated cheese. Pour into silicone cups and air fry at 180 for 10 minutes until set. Freeze a batch and microwave one on the way out the door. 29 grams of protein, and you can swap in mushrooms and peppers for a veggie tray. No cooked protein overnight oats. Made tonight, ready tomorrow, 0 cooking. In a jar, combine 40 grams of rolled oats, a scoop of protein powder, 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, and 120 ml of milk. Stir well, top with berries, lid on, and leave in the fridge overnight. In the morning, it's thick, creamy, and 30 grams of protein. Add a spoon of peanut butter for richness and a few more grams. A high-protein smoothie 3 ways. 1 base, 3 flavors, drink your breakfast on busy mornings. The base is 200 ml of milk, a scoop of protein powder, and 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. For berry, add frozen berries and half a banana. For chocolate peanut, a tablespoon of peanut butter and a teaspoon of cocoa. For green, spinach, half a banana and a squeeze of honey. Blend 30 seconds, 30 grams of protein, pour and go. The 60-second Greek Yogurt Bowl. The fastest high-protein breakfast there is, 1 bowl, no cooking. Stir a scoop of protein powder through 200 grams of Greek yogurt. Top with berries, a tablespoon of peanut butter, and a sprinkle of seeds. That's it, 33 grams of protein. Assemble it in a jar the night before for grab and go, and loosen with a splash of milk if it thickens too much. Air fryer protein granola. Crunchy, cheap, and miles better than shop-bought. Mix 200 grams of rolled oats with 60 grams of mixed seeds, a scoop of protein powder, a tablespoon of honey, and a tablespoon of oil until the oats are coated. Spread it in the air fryer basket and cook at 160 for 8 minutes, shaking halfway. Cool until crunchy and store in a jar. Served over Greek yogurt, that's 25 grams of protein a bowl. Protein chia pudding. Set and forget, thick, creamy, packed. Whisk 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with a scoop of protein powder and 200 ml of milk so there are no lumps. Stir in 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, lid on, fridge overnight. Top with berries in the morning. 26 grams of protein, it keeps 3 days, so make a few jars. Whisk again after 10 minutes to stop it clumping. Savory cottage cheese toast. The savory alternative to avo toast with double the protein. Toast 2 slices of whole grain bread and spread them thickly with 4 tablespoons of cottage cheese, then season. Top with a fried or poached egg and a pinch of chili flakes. 31 grams of protein, ready in 5 minutes. Add smoked salmon on top for a weekend upgrade. Single-serve protein banana bread. Warm, fluffy banana bread for one, tastes like dessert, eats like breakfast. Mash half a ripe banana and mix in 1 egg, a scoop of protein powder, a tablespoon of oats, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Pour into a small ramekin and air fry at 160 for 12 minutes until risen and set. 22 grams of protein and a few dark chocolate chips on top, no judgment. Air fryer protein oat cookies. Breakfast cookies you can eat on the move. Mix 1 mashed banana with 80 grams of rolled oats, a scoop of protein powder, and a tablespoon of peanut butter into a stiff dough. Shape 6 cookies on lined air fryer paper and cook at 160 for 8 minutes. Cool to firm up. 2 cookies is 24 grams of protein. They keep 4 days, and you can freeze them for longer. The Tofu Scramble Wrap, plant-based. Proof you don't need eggs to hit your protein. Pan fry 150 grams of crumbled firm tofu with half a teaspoon of turmeric and seasoning for 4 minutes. Stir in a handful of spinach and a tablespoon of nutritional yeast until wilted. Spoon into a wholemeal wrap and roll. 27 grams of protein. The scramble keeps 3 days, and black beans add an extra bump.